In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up monthly subscriptions on Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process together, from finding the right app to creating your first subscription plan for a product. By the end, you'll have a working monthly subscription that your customers can choose right on your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. Click into that search bar. A small dropdown will appear with different categories you can search within. From that dropdown, click on Apps. Now type Shopify subscriptions into the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new view, filtered by your search. Look through the search results and find the official Shopify subscriptions app. When you've located it, click into it, then click the Install button. Shopify will guide you through a few installation prompts, such as confirming permissions. Just follow those prompts and continue until the app finishes installing. As soon as it's installed, you'll be taken directly to the app's dashboard inside your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side of this app dashboard, you'll see a navigation panel. In that panel, look for the section labeled Shopify Subscriptions. Under that section, click on Plan. This is where you set up the actual subscription options your customers will see. On the plan page, click the button that says Create Plan to start building a new subscription. Inside the plan editor, begin by giving your plan a clear title. This is typically customer-facing, so choose something descriptive, like monthly coffee subscription or skincare box or monthly. Just below that, you'll see a field for an internal description. Use this to add notes for your team, such as what's included or any special rules. Customers won't see this, but it helps keep things organized. Next, look for the products card. Click the Browse button. A pop-up window will open, showing the products in your store. Find the product you want to offer as a subscription, select it, and then click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up. This links your new plan to that specific product. Now move to the Discount and Frequency Options card. Here, choose your discount type. You can leave it as no discount, or choose a percentage off, an amount off, or a fixed price. Offering even a small discount can encourage customers to subscribe instead of buying once. Then set your delivery frequency. In the first field, enter the number such as 1. In the second field, choose months to make this a monthly subscription. If you selected a discount type, use the third field to set the actual discount value, like 10% off. If you want to offer more than one frequency option, for example, both monthly and every 2 months, click the plus option button and repeat the setup for the new frequency. When you're happy with the title, product, discount, and frequency settings, make sure to save your work. You can click Save at the top near the search bar, or use the Save button at the bottom right of the page. Once saved, your monthly subscription plan is ready, and customers will be able to choose it on the product page during checkout.